Hey, it's Laura Ann. I'm going to try for this to be the last video. I think I can fit everything else into it. We're going to go over email, student data, and how to configure your actual page where you can upload documents and all that stuff. So, let's start with email. We're going to click email here on the left. You can email one of two things, either a message or a gradebook progress report. So, let's go to message first. I would recommend emailing by class. All you do is fill in the class bubble and click the class that you'd like to email. The class roster will populate. You can double arrow everyone over. That will move everyone from one side to the other. Or if you know that you just want to email one of them, you can just click on their name and single arrow. If I know that I just want to email Amber Gay and Kylie Tears because they talk a lot, something like that. If you double arrow back over, they'll all go away. So double arrow everybody, double arrow back, they go away, or you can single. Okay? So let's double arrow everybody, and I say I want to add another class. I can do that. I'll just select another class, double arrow, and they'll just be added to the list. Okay? You can also email by status of enrolled. This is going to be anyone that is enrolled in any of your classes. I have the whole student body because I've got administrative privileges. But if just anyone that is enrolled in any of your classes, and then if you double arrow, they will all go over. Okay? It's just up to you how you want to do that. Okay? Let's just do this. All right. I want to email all these people. This next box is determining who I want to send the email to. I would recommend doing these first three. It's going to send to the student, whoever has custody of the child in our system, and whoever is listed as having an being able to receive correspondence on the student. Okay? The red means they don't have anything in the system. A lot of kids don't have a student email in there. A lot of the high school ones do. A lot of the elementary do not. But it's just out of habit. I check it. And then the green means that, yes, they do have an email in for that person. If the email is listed twice, they're only going to get it once. So don't worry about parents receiving 50 emails. You can also carbon yourself. On your end, this is the only way that you will have a copy of the email that you send out. On my side, I can see what emails go out, but on your side, you won't be able to see it. So if you want a copy that you sent it, I would check this box because then you're going to get a copy of the email in your box as well. Did you see as soon as I clicked that, it clicked staff? That's because it recognizes that when I'm carboning myself, I'm sending it to a staff member. That's all it means. That doesn't mean that all the staff's going to get it. It just recognizes that your email address is a staff email. That's all it means, okay? As you can see, all of the email addresses populated in this box right here. That just shows who you're sending it to. If you have any attachments that you want to send, this is where you would need to attach them. We're just going to click the add button. Let's find something that I can send. Back to school tips. We're going to click open and then submit. Now, see, it says successfully attach the document. Please close the window or attach another document. That's the only thing I want to send. So I'm going to X out and see there it is right there. Okay? Once all this is done, you're ready to actually compose your email. This screen is all just set up, all right? We're going to tab over to compose and send. This is where you will actually type in your subject and then your body. Help if I would spell. You can highlight, we can change the font, we can change the size, we can change the color, we can change the background. We can make it bold, italics, underlined, centered. Oh, not like that. Right here. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. Okay? And then once this is set up the way you want to, all you have to do is click send. I'm not going to send it because people would get a funky email. But all you have to do is click send, and it would send it. Okay? And then you'll get a message in your inbox. Very simple on the email. This is how I send emails out every day. So that's how you do it. Let's go over how to send a progress report. Right under this message here on the left, you're going to click Gradebook Progress Report. You can send it out by class. You can send it out by, you want all of the kids enrolled in your classes, you want them to get a progress report, you can do that too. Let's do class. I just want these Bible kids to get their progress report, so I'm going to double arrow over. Or, like I said, you can also do the single. It's up to you what you want to do or who your audience is. This I would just email to the parent. That means anyone that is marked in our system as being able to get a report card is what it goes off of. And then you can also send it to yourself if you want a record of all these. Now, keep in mind that if you send out 80 progress reports to 80 different kids, you're going to get 80 different progress reports in your email. It's not going to keep it all up in one. It's going to send you 80 individual ones. So that's just to keep in mind if you send them to yourself. You can click the term of the progress report that you want to send, and you can also include a note like, this is just an update on quarter one. Have a great day. And then I would send out the details because that's going to be as much information on the grade A and the assignment that you can give. So I would send out the details, and then all you have to do is click send. And then it will send out the progress report for just your class, and only the student will get their own. The students won't get everybody else's, and it won't be like a mass of everybody. It's going to be student specific, just in your one class. Okay? So that's all on progress reports.